battle. 3, 2, 1, fight.
Game number 1. Let's go. We got Ganon versus Duck Hunt Duo. Very interesting matchup. Wow, first stock already lost. Almost gets the smash read. Up smash, successful. Back air. FireXBoy in a slight lead. This could change any moment. Ooh, gets hit by the can, the explosive can. Wow. 155% doesn't survive. Hermes le dog on his last stock. And he gets the gimp, spike, whatever. Yes. Last stock situation. 70% on FireXBoy. Also 70 on Hermes le dog. Perfect shield there.
KO.
Nice landing back air. Very beautiful. First game goes
Hermes
to
le dog. The dog.
FireXBoy.
Turns it around, but FireXBoy in the end
Still takes it.
takes it with a back air.
Get ready for the next battle.
That was good.
3, 2, 1, fight.
Game number 2.
Ken is out, both get hit. Oh my god!
Already gets a smash read. Wow.
Reads the aggressive comeback from Hermes le dog. Ah, no tech
we're
again. You need to check those. Okay. Up smash. Oh my god. I saw the up smash connecting. Nice. Nares the shit out of the can. Nice overthrow. Down tilt.
Wow.
More than enough.
Ganon is hitting really hard.
Yeah, I mean, it was a rough start for the dog. So, I don't really see him coming back into this game. Yeah,
KO.
That's it.
amazing edge guard by FireXBoy.
Wow. Game number 2 goes to
FireXBoy. Hast du gegessen?
Game number 3.
Get ready for the next battle.
Yeah, we will see if Hermes the dog
3,
No character switch,
has an
PS2.
answer,
fight.
Let's go.
but it looked tough.
Tries to go for some
Throwing
can
into the
combos.
can. Again, missed. Barely misses the can. Very good shield.
Oh, that's a good one. Wow. Really convincing lead right now.
What happened?
Didn't manage to recover. Very
Anyway,
sadly for
very
FireXBoy.
nice start for Hermes. Oh, I saw the shield break incoming. Oh,
Now
there
the
it is.
shield poke, the shield
And
break.
we have even stocks.
Even stocks. Le Dog in a small lead. Not anymore.
Nice air dodge. There is the no tech. No tech. Oh my god.
Went for the uppy at the ledge again.
Okay. Double can. That's the frisbee forward air. What do you call it? Frisbee?
Nice combo from Le Dog.
Okay.
The
Nice.
combo with the sharpshooter.
Sharpshooter. Yeah.
Gets in there. Beautiful. Last stock
And
situation.
stocks. Potential last stock for Le Dog in this tourney. Okay, gets can conversions. Nice fade back. Yep. Nice. But it didn't.
No kill. Still.
No kill. Is this it?
This
Yes,
one
it is.
should work. Yes.
Le Dog tames.
Le Dog.
Tames.
Coming back.
Takes game number 3.
Let's go.
But now FireXBoy can counterpick the stage if he wants to. Tolerant.
I think they run it back.
Get ready for the next battle. 3,
Nope, no run back. We're on small battlefield.
1, fight.
Let's go. Even the skin changed on Le
That's
Dog.
the can saves him from the combo. Did he shoot behind him? There you go. No tech. And American air dodges onto the stage.
Yes. Very unfortunate for Le Dog.
Yeah. I think he wanted the ledge, but hey. Nice.
Very awkward hitbox.
Oh my god, okay. Shield break incoming. No my. Okay.
Very wide range.
Yeah, FireXBoy had the reads on the get back from Le Dog 2 times, and now we have a stock lead at the moment.
LeDog playing it really safe right now.
He has to. Because this damage is not what he wants. Man, it's so heavy, dude. Sharpshooter.
The sharpshooter does it again.
But still, FireXBoy has a full stock lead. Follow up. Okay. The dog at the moment does not take that much damage, but now no tech, no tech, no tech. Oof. Okay.
Oh, okay, he made it out.
I think that's it. Yeah. Okay. 107 on the dog. Can he somehow maybe gimp Ganon off stage?
This is still winnable for LeDog.
It is, but
He manages to come back.
but his own can. But cool recovery.
Made
I
it
like
back. Another can is out. Some more pressure.
Again. And
And
again.
again.
No.
No way.
What? Okay.
Drops into the
And-
neutral air.
He flew to the other side. Oh my god.
Very well played.
I guess he held that way too, so
From
the eye
both
was
players. Yes.
well, but very nicely done from FireXBoy.
Yes. Also props to Hermes LeDog.
Yeah.
He's a fighter.